Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic, that is city creation. This basically we are talking the one of the example, taking the one of the example of Sunil Nair. In this basically we will be going to see what actually the business is. One of the person given one example basically. Do you know basically how the entire so this actually we have discussed actually this then also I will discuss little bit basically. One of the person told that the business development of, as in that one of the business development of a company basically like Accenture basically, how they gets the project basically. Then they told that basically one of the technique is basically by money basically they get the project. Then another technique basically is through server purchase basically they get the project. That basically we have already discussed. Then also basically the in server basically, for example IBM server is there. So they assume that basically they purchased IBM server, and in that server basically the IBM group basically, the the group basically who have the authority to give the server basically they are computer creation group only. Like Dell is there, then the IBM is there, Microsoft is there. So Microsoft also basically know that basically, that's why they introduce their project also, their computer also. Like Dell is there, HP is there, Compaq is there. Like these basically companies basically are like Leono is also basically there. Leono is one of the good company also. Like Dell basically. So like this basically, this group basically generates the server basically. So in server basically they dumps around more than basically 3 to 4 thousand projects basically. In 3 to 4 thousand projects basically are related to future creation basically. Future creation means that everybody know basically what actually the future creation is. Like this Lux Web Solution basically rejected Vadodara and Chennai basically rejected Sunil Arnar. So that was future creation basically. They have done the future creation. Like this Canada group basically given the project to this group basically. So that is future creation basically. And just now basically we saw that was also basically future creation basically. So like this basically the server basically 3 to 4 thousand basically projects are done today, and that all are the future basically, future project basically. So in this basically we basically saw one example basically. That example is of 4,000 project basically, which was dumped in the IBM server, Dell computer, and this all basically computer basically the projects was basically dumped basically. So project basically was dumped. So like this basically the project basically was dumped into the project into the server basically. From the server basically we were from the server basically we were from the server basically 3 to 4 thousand project basically was given to the each and every people basically. So that was basically the assume that basically Accenture is one of the company basically who was giving the, who was actually giving the, who was basically the business development officer basically, who basically collected the project basically on the base of this 4,000 project basically. So that project like this basically he take purchase the IBM server. IBM server dumped 4,000 project. They basically dumped into the IBM server. Like this basically as per the roadmap basically he was connecting to the people, he was basically getting the project basically. Like this, for example, he in IBM server basically for one project basically he told that this is the roadmap, you have to go to this roadmap, and according to that roadmap basically you are going to get the project. So exactly he was going to that roadmap only basically, he was getting the project basically. For example, he have to send a mail to this particular person. After that, this person basically you have to meet to that person in USA. He basically met that person in USA. Then basically he come back. Then basically after certain mails basically got the project. So that was basically roadmap. So to get one project basically, so just see the basically hard work basically you have to do. But this is already dumped. That's why basically. But then also basically see the hard work basically. Then also see the hard work basically. So like this basically this converts into the business basically. This converts into the business basically. So just see basically what is the business also basically. So like this basically this was about the business basically. The software company basically do the business, and they are actually doing the business of what basically, they are doing the business of the future creation basically. The future creation of the IBM basically group has created 4,000 project. That was future creation. It can be tomato creation, it can be potato creation, it can be any creation basically. So like this basically the creation basically was done, and like this basically the project was basically given. So this was basically the business basically which was actually done basically. So like this was the business, and like this basically from Sunil R Nair story basically we actually explained one business technique basically. That was basically the Chennai group basically rejected Sunil R Nair, but in really basically it was not rejected. It was actually rejected by Vadodara group basically. In Vadodara group basically, the lots of people told that basically lots of software companies supported this group basically, and this group basically rejected Sunil R Nair, and they basically told unnecessary name of Chennai group basically in front of the Jalaram god and in front of the Krishna Bhagwan god basically. This person basically told that basically he rejected Sunil R Nair. In this basically the Canada group also basically given lots of project to this person basically. Why? Because Sunil R Nair basically was rejected. So they basically had Jashan basically, and like this in Jashan basically they had given few projects to this group basically. So like this basically the web solution basically got. So this person basically was given idea basically by one of the business development freelancer group basically, that if you will give the if you will reject the Sunil R Nair, you are going to get lots of business from the lots of companies basically. So in this one of the company Canada basically jumped, and they basically told that basically we are going on giving also going to give the business to you. So he basically got idea basically from my one of the call basically, and told that basically reject him basically, and like this basically he rejected, and name basically was given by the Chennai group basically. Sorry, name of the he actually taken the name of the Chennai group basically, that we have rejected you, but in really basically Chennai has not rejected, he has rejected, and he basically got the project from Canada group basically. So unnecessary Chennai basically was blamed basically in front of the Jalaram god and in front of the Krishna Bhagwan god basically, which basically he was actually doing the puja of Krishna Bhagwan and Jalaram god basically, and his office basically contained that photo basically, that is Jalaram god and Krishna Bhagwan god. Like this basically he rejected in front of the Krishna Bhagwan god and Jalaram god basically. Jalaram god means I will tell you what actually who is Jalaram god also. Just a minute. Jalaram god means this basically. This is actually one of the Jalaram god basically of Gujarati basically, and he basically born in 1790. That means just imagine basically, and died in 23rd February 1890. Veerpur is one. Veerpur is where, that also we will see. Just a minute. Gujarat in Veerpur is there basically near Gondal basically. Gondal is basically one city basically in Gujarat, Rajkot district, Gujarat. That means in Rajkot basically Jalaram god is, and Krishna Bhagwan god basically that everybody knows basically. But this god basically is also one of the god basically. This god basically Chennai group basically might not be knowing this god basically. So I will just display this is the Chennai god basically. Sorry, I will just display to the Chennai group basically. This is that god basically. In front of that basically he told that basically we have rejected that particular person basically. So see basically Veerpur is basically one of the city basically, I think in Gujarat basically, and Veerpur basically is town in Rajkot basically. Rajkot is one district basically in Gujarat state basically, and this is basically one of the town basically Veerpur. In town basically he got the birth basically, that is the Jalaram god basically, and it's near city basically Gondal. Gondal is basically one city basically that is also full of god group basically. Local time is basically Friday 10:50 basically. So just see basically time also you see basically. And currently in Vadodara it is 10:51 basically. So just see basically. So in front of this god basically he told that basically we are rejecting you basically. So like this group basically are converted from which group basically, that also basically we discussed, right basically. So you can just imagine basically in next video basically you are going to see a little bit more about this basically.